Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about, does the LTB give legal advice? Straightforward question, straightforward answer. No, the Landlord and Tenant Board cannot give legal advice. They should not be giving legal advice either. Oftentimes, landlords who do DYIs, they serve their own notice, they go through the process, and they need support in the midst of the process where they're trying to manage it themselves. When they call in and they try to retain us, we look at their paperwork and we say, well, why did you do this? Or there's an error, or your notice is flawed, or it's likely that the board is going to dismiss the matter. And oftentimes they say, well, the Landlord and Tenant Board told me. The Landlord and Tenant Board told me to do this. They gave me legal advice. They told me not to pay compensation. Guys, the Landlord and Tenant Board cannot give legal advice. They are not licensed by the Law Society of Ontario. They're not paralegals. They're not lawyers. They can only answer general questions. In fact, they're probably on the same level as the call center reps when you call in to order a pizza. They don't know the process, they most definitely don't know the law, and they give the wrong information. And when you rely on that information as a landlord, and I can relate, oftentimes your matter is flawed. And what happens is you can wait 4 to 5 months, maybe longer, to go in front of the board, really need to have to get that tenant out, only to find out that your matter is dismissed because there's an error. Now, you can tell the adjudicator, Mr. Chair or Madam Chair, when I called into the LTB, they told me A, B, and C. And the board will tell you on the spot that the Landlord and Tenant Board cannot give you legal advice. Those are some of the strong consequences of relying on information from the Landlord and Tenant Board, that as a landlord, it's going to cost you time and money. And that's why we're here to provide support. We are a landlord-based firm, and that means we provide support to landlords, investors, and realtors throughout the province of Ontario. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, always call us first.